Today I'm going to talk about how can you buy your first property in Dubai. Hi, I'm Vivek Shah and I've helped a lot of people purchase their properties in Dubai. The first step to buy a property is to select the right property that you want to buy. So for that, you can either go on multiple websites where properties are listed. You can search through them, browse through them and select the one that fits the best for you. Or as a second step, what you could do is you could probably hire a real estate agent who is registered with the Dubai Land Department, and he can help you go through multiple properties, finalize one for you, and of course there will be a fee that you would have to pay him or her. Then comes the step for financing your property. If you are self-financing your property, you already have your funds ready, and in that case, you must ensure that the funds have reached the developer's account before you register your property. Or you can go and apply to multiple banks and financial institutions who will assess your case, and then accordingly they will approve your loan on the property. Once you've made an offer and it is accepted by the seller, you need to generally pay a deposit. This deposit amount is approximately 10% of the total deal value, and this amount is transferred to an escrow account. The escrow account in most cases belongs to the real estate agent who is doing the deal for you. If you are not a resident of UAE, in that case, you will have to obtain a no objection certificate or an NOC from the Dubai Land Department. However, if you are a resident already of UAE, in that case, you do not have to obtain any NOC from any government department. Once the paperwork and payments are in order, your property is eligible for getting transferred. That is to say, you can go to the Dubai Land Department, pay the associated fees and the remaining charges, and get the property registered in your name. And finally, once your property is registered, you need to obtain the title deed which confirms that you are now the legitimate owner of this property. If you need any help and guidance in buying your first property in Dubai, you can book an appointment with me on the link given below. I'll be extremely happy to guide you through this process. Thank you very much.